first video I'm doing today. If you get bored easily, bye! Just trying to get on with a bit of work today, guys. The giveaway knife. Just trying to get this sheath sorted out now, so I can get it on its way. So that's the sheath at this stage. So it's been stitched, but obviously I've got to do the edge coating and get it to fit nicely and all that malarkey. So the next stage now will be to give this a good sanding. There we are. And I want to do this kind of video because I know some of you don't, that don't have Facebook or Instagram. You know, YouTube is the only way of getting any kind of feedback or updates on what I'm doing. This one, really like this one. So this one I've just finished. It just needs to clean up because I always do. Which is a little skinner. The little skinner I made with thistles cross-sectioned. So that's a blade, but I thought I'd start experimenting. So I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but can you see the greens in it? Well, I've got a new technique that I'm using, and it seems to be working really well. Anyway, so that's that sheath, pretty much finished. It's nice, isn't it? It's not bad, is it, for what it is? Something like this, a sheath, start to finish, if I'm on it, flat out pretty much. Probably a couple of days, I suppose. It's pretty smooth. Pretty flat. Is it perfect? Nah, not really yet, but it's there, it's pretty solid. Right, crack on with some more bits and pieces. Arthur's impressed. No, he's not impressed. Anyway, thought I'd let you see it. Take care, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye.